In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to find Moomoo Broker in Tradingview. If you're a trader looking to integrate your Tradingview account with Moomoo, you've come to the right place. This simple guide will make it easy to connect your preferred broker to the Tradingview platform, ensuring a seamless trading experience. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open Tradingview and head straight to the Supercharts section. If you're not familiar, Supercharts is the area where you can access a wide array of technical analysis tools, charts, and other features that make Tradingview an invaluable resource for traders. It's important to ensure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features without interruption. Once you're in Supercharts, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll find the trading panel. The trading panel is your gateway to connecting with various brokers. It's designed to provide a streamlined interface where you can manage your trading accounts and execute trades directly from Tradingview. Click on the trading panel to expand your options. After expanding the trading panel, you'll see an option that reads All Brokers. This is where Tradingview lists all the available brokerage firms that you can connect to. Click on All Brokers, and you'll be presented with a list of options to choose from. It's organized in a way that makes it easy to scroll through and find the broker you're looking for. Now it's time to find Moomoo. Scroll through the list until you locate Moomoo among the other brokers. Tradingview has done an excellent job of integrating a variety of brokers, so take your time to ensure you select the correct one. Once you spot Moomoo, simply click on it to choose it as your broker. And just like that, you've successfully found Moomoo Broker in Tradingview. It's as easy as those few clicks. Now you're ready to manage your trades and take full advantage of the tools Tradingview has to offer, all while using Moomoo as your broker. Remember, connecting with the right broker is crucial for executing your trading strategy efficiently. With Tradingview's user-friendly platform and Moomoo's robust brokerage services, you're well equipped to trade smarter and more effectively. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and trading tips. Thanks for watching and happy trading.